Attention teachers! Are you tired of spending countless hours searching for quality resources and creating lesson plans from scratch? Introducing Teacher Assist AI, your ultimate teaching companion. With our cutting-edge lesson planning tool, you can create engaging, standards-aligned lessons in minutes. Simply input your requirements, and Teacher Assist AI will generate a comprehensive plan, complete with activities, assessments, and resources. Say goodbye to hours of lesson planning. Gain instant access to our extensive library of high-quality, vetted educational resources. Lesson plans, interactive activities, worksheets, and multimedia content are just a click away. Spend less time searching and more time inspiring your students. Join a thriving community of educators who are transforming their classrooms with Teacher Assist AI. Collaborate on projects, share best practices, and learn from experienced teachers across the globe. Together, we can revolutionize education. Teacher Assist AI empowers you to focus on what truly matters, building meaningful connections with your students and creating an impactful learning environment. Sign up for our public beta today at teacherassistai.com and experience the future of teaching. Transform your teaching experience. Join the Teacher Assist AI public beta now at teacherassistai.com and unlock a world of possibilities for you and your students.